Today I'm going to show you how to make this very cool origami beating heart. As you can see, it actually moves and makes a beating sound. So, to start, we take a square sheet of paper and we fold it in half. Then you're gonna fold it in half the other way. Then you're gonna unfold it and bring the top edge towards the center line, like that. Do the same on the other side. And then you're gonna turn it over. So now it's a little tricky because you're gonna make a fold, bringing the sides towards the center, but you're also gonna let that bottom layer of paper release it and like sort of, instead of making a fold, instead of folding both of the layers, just folding that top layer and letting and releasing that flap from underneath. So and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now you're gonna turn the model over. Should look something like that. Now you're gonna take those flaps and bring them to the center. Same thing on the other side. Now you're gonna unfold, and what you're gonna do now is make a line, make a fold from that point to that point, like that. And you're gonna bring the sides towards the bottom, so you're gonna make the same folds that we just made. And you're gonna flatten it all out like that. So it should look something like that. We're very close here, so now you're gonna make the shape of the heart. For that, you're gonna fold those bottom corners towards the center, so the line here. Same thing goes for the other side. And to make the heart round, we're gonna make small adjustments here and another fold here. So the paper gets a little thick at this point, but it's fine. Just make sure to get it as flat as you can. And you're gonna make that edge rounder by also folding it a small flap like that. And you can turn it over to make sure it looks fine. So now we're gonna bring the sides towards the center, and you sort of eyeball it how much you need to fold. So fold the model over and approximate how much would you need to fold for that. So let's say for me it's about right there, not reaching the flap here. And do the same on the other side. make sure it's even too. And if you want, this is optional, but you can sort of round out those corners right there by making additional folds. So little one here, the little one here. And here's the difference that it makes, so see how it looks more round here. So this is your paper beating heart done. Now, in order to make it beat, you're gonna take that flap and take the three fingers, hold it, and then you're gonna press the 3 points. So here, here, and there, you're gonna press the 3 points simultaneously with your 3 fingers, like that, sort of squeezing it. And sometimes the heart would not be beating properly, but you can sort of round it out a little and then try again. So this is ready, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys next time.